the state of Uttar Pradesh, where the city of Bareilly remains on the edge. A week after violence and riots gripped the city, the atmosphere is tense. Security, in fact, is at its peak. There's also an uneasiness that hangs in the air just ahead of the Friday prayers. Police have now stepped up the vigil. There are flag marches that are taking place in sensitive areas. The administration has gone for a 48-hour internet suspension. There will be no mobile data, no broadband, nothing till the 4th of October. Now, this clampdown is actually meant to prevent any kind of misinformation and mobilization from taking place. On the ground, it's the Virangana Women's Commando Unit that has started patrolling the streets. But beneath the calm, one can clearly see the tension that is simmering. On the 26th of September, everyone is saying that what was happened was actually scripted mayhem. The FIR has been filed by Bareilly police. It points to a chilling plan. From beheading slogans to looted police vehicles, stone pelting also took place, and there were attacks that were done by the mob. Investigators are saying that everything was pre-planned and this was a plot to target the policemen. Member of Parliament Chandrasekhar Azad was actually stopped from visiting the violence-hit families. Azad has hit back, accusing the government of stifling democracy and suppressing the victims' voices.
सुरक्षा व्यवस्था को सुनिश्चित कराने के लिए किसी भी तरीके की गड़बड़ी ना हो, इसको सुनिश्चित कराने के लिए ये देखिए पुलिस की और सबसे ज़्यादा कि महिला बटालियन जो पुलिस का है, जो उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस की महिला बटालियन है, वो आगे आई है और उसको बाज़ारों में उतारा गया है सुरक्षा व्यवस्था चाक चौबंद करने के लिए। तो बरेली में बाज़ारों में इसी तरीके से पेट्रोलिंग की जा रही है और पेट्रोलिंग के जरिए लोगों को भरोसा जताया जा रहा है कि किसी भी तरीके की गड़बड़ी नहीं होगी।
शुक्रवार को जो बवाल हुआ था उसमें एक पुलिसकर्मी की एंटी राइट गन भी दंगाइयों द्वारा छीनी गई थी और वो लूट ली गई थी, जो अभी तक मिसिंग थी। लगातार इन घटनाओं क्रम में जो पुलिस की टीम लगी हुई थी, आज सीबीगंज थाना क्षेत्र में एक सूचना पर इंस्पेक्टर सीबीगंज अपनी टीम के साथ मौके पे गए तो वहाँ पर बाइक से 2 लोग आते हुए दिखे। जब उनको रोका गया तो उन्होंने पुलिस टीम पर फायरिंग की और जो क्रॉस फायरिंग हुई पुलिस की, उसमें उनको दोनों को गोली लगी है। उनके पास से 2 कंट्री मेड पिस्टल और जो पुलिस वाली एंटी राइट गन थी वो बरामद की गई है। पूछताछ में एक का नाम इदरीश और एक का इकबाल है, दोनों शाहजहांपुर के रहने वाले हैं। उन्होंने ये बताया कि उनको शुक्रवार के दिन यहाँ बुलाया गया था और उसी समय ये वेपन ये लोग लेके यहाँ से पुलिसकर्मी वाली भीड़ में यहाँ से फायरिंग किए और फरार हो गए थे। 2 तमंचे भी उनके पास से कंट्रीमेड पिस्टल जो है वो बरामद किए गए हैं और आगे कार्रवाई पुलिस कर रही है। दोनों पे 1.5 दर्जन मुकदमे पहले से पंजीकृत हैं और वो एक नहीं कई जनपदों में पहले से इन पे मुकदमे पंजीकृत हैं। चूँकि ये अभी आज ही का घटनाक्रम है तो अभी हम लोग इनको उपचार हेतु हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट कराया गया है और इनको रिमांड पे लेके आगे की भी पूछताछ हम लोग करेंगे। जहाँ तक बाहरी लोगों के शामिल होने का प्रश्न है वो बहुत ही क्लियर था कि पहले भी बंगाल और बिहार के लोग जो वीडियो फोटो में आए वहाँ पे मौके पर मौजूद थे, पथराव वगैरह कर रहे थे, वो गिरफ्तार किए गए, गिरफ्तार करके उनको जेल भेजा गया है। और आज
My colleague Santosh Sharma is now joining me from the city of Bareilly. Santosh, from what we are understanding, there is very heavy police deployment. The administration is on its toes. They are now very keenly looking at making sure that there is peace and making sure that they do not see a repeat of what happened on last Friday.
Definitely the administration of Bareilly is on his toe and they don't want to repeat what happened on last Friday. And that's the reason for the next 48 hours the mobile internet has been suspended and they will continue to the next 48 hours up to Saturday at around 3 p.m. Mobile services will be suspended, internet services will be suspended, and heavy force has been will be deployed in all those Bareilly sensitive area. Bareilly whole city area we can say is divided in super zone and sensitive zones, and each and every zone is being headed by the senior IPS officer or the additional officer of PPS rank. So we can say the heavy force deployment, and today due to Juma Namaz force has been deployed, and you can see through the visual that right now this is the area of Bareilly where on last Friday this whole incident occurred and the law and order was disturbed. But today, for the normal man There is no hurdle, there is no any prohibition of anything. They can go to their work. Schools were opened. Only the suspension of the mobile network was taken as the administration as the precautionary so that no fake news or the fake information can be get viral on the internet and the law and order can be disturbed. For the heavy for
Right.
the Juma Namaz security, heavy force has been deployed. So we can say today is the exam of Bareilly administration from the last Friday Juma Namaz violence.
You know, Santosh, we've also seen the visuals of how there is very heavy police deployment taking place. We also understand Bareilly as a city has been divided into various zones. We also see a women battalion that has also been deployed to make sure that the situation remains calm.
My Lady Battalion has been deployed, even the drone team has been deployed. 8 drone teams have been deployed in the to get the surveillance on the sensitive areas, to get the visuals of the roof so that the stone pelting incident can't be occurred. What happened on the last Friday on the 26th of September when the police tried to stop the violence, then the stone pelting was held in some areas of the Bareilly. So avoid that situation, 8 drone teams have been deployed in the Bareilly sensitive area. So we can say from the ground to sky, each and everything is on the surveillance. CCTV, drone, heavy force deployment is there in the Bareilly for today's Juma Namaz.
You know, Santosh, from what we are also understanding, internet has been shut down for the next 48 hours. The administration says that they have taken this step to make sure that there is no misinformation that is being done. That's my colleague Santosh giving us all those details. Now in the city of Bareilly, what we are seeing, a clampdown on the internet for the next 48 hours.